Hello everyone. Sun Farm is delighted to accompany you on today's adventure of exploring kangaroos. Today, let's begin our journey to discover more about kangaroos, the cultural icon of Australia and an essential part of Australian farmers' lives. With their diversity and richness, kangaroos symbolize not only strength and freedom, but also values of sustainability and ecological balance. Let's explore how raising, harvesting, and processing kangaroo meat not only provide a nutritious food source, but also contribute to environmental protection and support sustainable agriculture in Australia. You will surely be amazed and fascinated by the interesting facts about kangaroos. Australia is renowned for its diverse flora and fauna, with kangaroos being a distinctive symbol of the country. However, the significant increase in kangaroo numbers has led to ecological imbalances and negative impacts on farmers. Harvesting and farming kangaroos for meat have become sustainable ways to utilize animal resources and meet consumer demands. Kangaroo farms in Australia are specially designed to ensure the best growth and care for kangaroos. The design and construction of these farms not only focus on nurturing the animals, but also emphasize protecting their natural habitat and ensuring ecological balance during their development. These farms often have large-scale operations, allowing kangaroos to live and thrive in a natural environment as closely as possible. In particular, the fencing systems around the farms are built securely to limit kangaroos' movement outside designated areas and ensure their safety from external dangers. The kangaroo farming systems in these farms are also designed to provide comfort and excellent care for these animals. Areas housing kangaroos are spacious, providing natural space and suitable living environments. Additionally, animal care experts are present to ensure the best growth and health for kangaroos. An essential aspect is managing kangaroo populations on the farms. This control helps sustainably regulate kangaroo population growth, minimizing their negative impact on the farming environment and ensuring ecological balance. This helps maintain natural habitats for kangaroos in a safe space and ensures they do not pose dangers to the surrounding environment. Raising kangaroos not only brings economic benefits, but also contributes to environmental protection and responsible, efficient natural resource utilization. First and foremost, controlling and managing kangaroo populations helps protect food sources for wild animals and minimizes damage to farms caused by kangaroos. Harvesting kangaroo meat not only provides a nutrient-rich food source, but also supports consumer demand, especially for diverse and health-promoting food products. Moreover, kangaroos are a sustainable natural resource. Kangaroo leather is used to produce high-quality products such as shoes, wallets, and bags, known for their softness, durability, and flexibility. This not only creates additional income for kangaroo farmers, but also boosts Australia's leather industry. The kangaroo's growth and reproduction process are natural wonders that many people find fascinating. Kangaroos develop from tiny joeys in their mother's pouches. After being born, the joey continues to grow and mature in its mother's pouch for about 8 to 9 months, receiving necessary care and nutrition. When the joey is larger and strong enough to stand and move independently, it leaves its mother's pouch to explore the world around it. However, the joey often returns to its mother's pouch for protection and safety as needed. The kangaroo's reproductive process is influenced by environmental factors such as food availability, water, and living conditions. A kangaroo individual can give birth to 1 to 3 offspring per litter, depending on the species and environmental conditions. This development not only showcases natural strength, but also is crucial for Australia's tropical forest ecosystem, where kangaroos are cultural and natural icons. Did you enjoy seeing joeys in their mother's pouches? Please share your thoughts in the comments below for Sun to know. The care process for kangaroos by Australian farmers is focused and meticulous. Professional farmers have developed specialized farms to raise kangaroos, ensuring they receive the best care from infancy to adulthood. An essential part of caring for kangaroos is providing diverse and high-quality food to ensure their healthy development. Animal nutrition and health experts regularly monitor food quality and kangaroo growth, ensuring they receive necessary nutrients, minerals, and water for optimal health. More importantly, regular health monitoring programs and disease prevention measures are implemented to ensure kangaroos do not encounter any unwanted health issues. All these efforts combine to create a standard kangaroo care and nurturing process, protecting their health and population in the Australian environment. Kangaroos are herbivores with a diverse and rich diet. They typically eat natural foods like grass, leaves, flowers, and even fruits. Their diet adapts to their natural habitat, often found in areas with lush grass and trees. In addition to ground foraging, kangaroos can leap to reach higher leaves and branches for food. This demonstrates their strength and flexibility in food acquisition. Kangaroos' lives usually revolve around daytime activities, and they prefer resting in shaded areas during hot hours. They often move in small groups to find food and stay connected with each other in the wild. This helps them stay safer when facing threats from the surrounding environment. Harvesting kangaroos is carefully regulated and follows government regulations to ensure the sustainability of this resource. Before starting, farmers must obtain licenses and comply with Australian government regulations regarding kangaroo hunting. After obtaining licenses, kangaroo hunting follows strict government regulations to ensure the resource's sustainability. Hunting times and methods are carefully adjusted to minimize unnecessary harm to these animals. Weapons and hunting tools also adhere to strict regulations to ensure safety for participants and the surrounding environment. The hunting time and method are regulated tightly to minimize unnecessary losses to this species. The primary goal of the hunting process is not only to collect meat, but also to control kangaroo numbers in nature to maintain ecological balance. This helps protect both vegetation, grasslands, and other animals in their habitats. After harvesting, kangaroo meat is transported to food processing facilities, where it undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure the final product meets the highest quality and safety standards. The kangaroo meat processing process at food processing plants is carried out carefully and professionally to ensure the highest quality for the final product. When kangaroo meat arrives from farms and harvesting points, the processing process begins. First, the meat undergoes quality checks through evaluations of appearance, color, and freshness. Only the best quality meat that meets quality standards continues to the processing phase. Next, the meat is transported to the processing area, where experienced experts cut it according to requirements and strict standards. Meat cutting techniques are meticulous to ensure uniformity and quality in each meat sample. Once cut into pieces, kangaroo meat is packaged and preserved under ideal conditions to keep the meat fresh and sustainable. The use of modern equipment and technology helps maintain ideal temperature and environmental conditions for processing and preservation. Every step in the transformation process is handcrafted to the highest food safety and protection standards, ensuring that the final product meets the highest quality and safety requirements. This helps consumers trust in the quality and nutritional value of kangaroo meat every time they use it. Kangaroo meat not only provides nutritional benefits, but also opens up a diverse and rich culinary world. With high protein content, low fat, and various essential nutrients such as iron, zinc, and essential amino acids, kangaroo meat is not only a nutritious food source, but also an ideal choice for maintaining good health. From kangaroo meat, various delicious and unique dishes can be prepared. Starting from basic dishes like delicious kangaroo fillet with excellent mushroom sauce, or crispy grilled kangaroo steak outside and tender inside. Additionally, kangaroo meat is suitable for making salads with fresh vegetables and eye-catching dressing, or cooking soft kangaroo ribs with distinctive spices. Especially with continuous creativity, kangaroo meat can be transformed into other delicious and attractive dishes, such as kangaroo meat sandwiches, sweet and sour kangaroo stir-fry with vegetables, or even unique kangaroo sushi. The diversity and nutritional richness of kangaroo meat truly enrich the culinary menu of every household and restaurant, providing unique and enjoyable culinary experiences. Have you ever enjoyed any dishes made from kangaroo meat? Share your experiences with Sun in the comments below. Thank you for taking the time to read through our article and explore the fascinating world of kangaroos. Your interest is not only a great encouragement, but also a motivation for us to continue providing useful and quality information. Please continue to support us by sharing this article and joining us on the journey to discover new things in the future. Thank you, and see you again soon.